This trimester, you're going to be using Microsoft OneNote in your course. You can find OneNote easily through the waffle menu in Outlook, which is your Griffith email. If you click on the OneNote icon, you will see a list of recent notebooks. If you don't see the one you're looking for, try clicking into Class Notebooks. It's a great idea to bring down the OneNote app to your computer. This video is made using the OneNote desktop app, so if something looks different for you, it may be because you're working in the online version, and there are some differences. To get the OneNote app on your computer, click back into your waffle and click on the Office 365 button. Then click Install Office. If you need help with this process, contact Griffith's Student IT Support on this number. OneNote is a digital notebook system. Your course convener will be putting resources in here, and you can also use this space really effectively to organise your notes. Everything stays together and it can't get lost because it's in the cloud. On the left here, you can see a list of sections with coloured tabs just like in an actual folder or binder. When you click on them, you'll see that these sections can have subsections. In this second column, you'll see a list of the pages in the section you have currently selected. To see your other notebooks, just click on the name of the notebook you're in and a list will drop down. If you're using Class Notebook, you will have 3 separately permissioned sections on the left. In the collaboration space, anyone can contribute. You can brainstorm here and share images, videos, and web links. Remember, it's a breach of copyright law to reproduce a PDF of a published article. If you find a good article online, just pop in the link for others to follow. The content library is where your tutor or course convener will publish materials for you. You can't add or delete in this section, but you can copy pages into your own section, which is the one with your name on it. Only you and your teacher have permission to read and write in here. You can add and organise sections here in whatever way suits your study. To create a new section or a page, just click on the plus sign at the bottom of the columns. In the View menu, you can keep track of who contributed what using this Hide Authors button. Your class notebook is searchable. In the app, you can search a page, a section, a notebook, or even all of your notebooks. This feature is very handy come exam time. For those of you who like to take time and organise your notes, you can create tagged categories for your entries. You can set a different colour background and use the pen or highlighter to make things stand out. You can also create columns using the line shape in the Draw menu. To set your notebook in dark mode, go to the ellipsis in the top right of your screen and select Settings, then Options. If your pages don't look the same as everyone else's in your class, right-click on the name of the notebook here and then select Sync, then Sync this notebook. And finally, I recommend you take a look at the Immersive Reader tool in OneNote. This tool is designed to make learning easier and more accessible for everyone. When you click on the Immersive Reader, your page goes into a different view. To have your notes read aloud, just click on the arrow at the bottom of the screen, and in this settings cog you can vary the speed and type of voice. The Text Preferences menu allows you to choose text size and font, to increase your spacing, and to choose a colour background. Grammar Options allows you to divide into syllables and label the parts of speech in each sentence. And in the Reading Preferences menu, you can use this line focus tool, and perhaps most amazing of all, this translation tool. You can swap your document into a range of different languages instantly, and it will still read it aloud to you. You can see that if you had vision impairment or dyslexia, this tool would be awesome. Maybe you have neither, but you absorb information better when someone reads it to you, or you prefer to listen when you're on the bus. To get back to your normal view, just click on this arrow. Make sure you're fully aware of how your lecturer intends you to use the resources in OneNote and any contributions they want you to make in the collaborative spaces.